Hi again. I'm here for another quick unboxing of some more Chic Sparrow items. I clearly am kind of hoarding Chic Sparrow items instead of toilet paper. Although, truth be told, we had plenty of toilet paper when this all began. But anyway, I just wanted to show you my new order. Okay, I'm just going to take that out of the bag. Take it out of that. Make sure there's nothing left in there. Okay. All right, so I got a key fob in Open Road. Okay. I just went in there and opened that, but let me see. Oh, I hope I got another book sticker. Oh, I did. Excellent. I love those. Those are so cute. Okay. And now, oh yeah, I forgot what I had ordered. So this is a passport in Open Road. I have a Lara bag in the Open Road and I really like it. So I thought, even though I'm not generally a fan of the Traveler's Notebooks in the Waypoint line, I figured I'd try it with this one because I really do. Okay, I'm totally going to mangle this up here and see. Ooh, yeah. See, that's really nice. I really like that. Okay. This is the Open Road and a passport. I was thinking this might be good to use as a wallet. And then I actually thought maybe I could put that on there and just have it, use it as a wallet with a little, I don't know what you'd call that, a handle for your wallet. I'm having troubles finding my words lately. Okay, so that's that. And then this is one of the new leathers in another folio. Oh yes, this is the Americano. Oh wow, and it has such a neat, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can kind of see. Has a little bit of a speckly texture. It's kind of interesting, but I do like the color. Okay, and I asked for the closure this time. Oh, that's great. Perfect. All right. Yeah, that's super nice. All right, well, I just wanted to show you that. Quick unboxing. That really has some pretty texture too in there. It's very nice. And in my order notes, I asked for this to be as red as possible, with as red an undertone as possible, because sort of brownish red is my favorite kind of leather. And since I don't have another one, I don't really, of this particular color, I don't really know if that ended up working out, but I can see a little bit of a red tone underneath there, so I think they did what they could on that. And I also said character always welcome, so that might be why. These are actually pretty cool little spots. I like that. Okay. Not sure if I'll end up keeping all of the folios. I got 3 folios in total. This one, the Hummingbird, and then a Waypoint in the Misty Mountain. I'm of the 3, given that I've seen this one now, I think I'm kind of leaning towards maybe not keeping the Hummingbird, since I already have another TN in Hummingbird, but I haven't decided yet. All right, well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.